Everybody knows the Sims 3 color wheel, but do you know how to use this properly? Let me show you. Firstly, you need to build a wall outside to see real colors and texture. Then choose the wallpaper of your choice. Open the color wheel and go where hashtag. Then find a place where wrote HEX. Open Google and type there, color palette codes. And choose colors that you like. Type the color code in the HEX box and watch the magic. Here little speed gameplay on how I did it. I recommend saving it to favorites and also saving your wallpaper so you can use it whenever you want. Here example of how they are looking on build mode and where you can find them. I using colorpalettes.net. Enjoy your building new way.